Welcome to the spoken tutorial on basic matrix operations. In this tutorial, you will learn to create matrices from lists, perform basic matrix operations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication, perform operations to find out determinant of a matrix, inverse of a matrix, eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a matrix. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system, Python 3.4.3 and IPython 5.1.0. To practice this tutorial, you should have basic knowledge about lists, arrays and accessing parts of arrays, and theoretical knowledge of matrix operations. If not, see the relevant Python tutorials on this website. In Python, we create a matrix using NumPy matrix class. Matrix operations can be done using NumPy operators and functions. Let us start IPython. Open the terminal. Type IPython3 and press Enter. From here onwards, remember to press the Enter key after typing every command on the terminal. Let us create a matrix M1. Type from NumPy import matrix. Then type M1 is equal to matrix inside brackets, inside square brackets 1, 2, 3, 4. Now type M1. This creates a matrix with 1 row and 4 columns. This can be verified by typing m1.shape. This gives the output as 1, 4. A list can also be converted to a matrix as follows. Type as shown. You can see the matrix M2 with values from list L1. To convert an array to a matrix, use the ASMatrix method in NumPy module. We can use arrange and reshape methods to generate an array. Type as shown. Arrange is a method available in NumPy. Here it returns an array of evenly spaced values between 1 and 9. Reshape is used to change the shape of the array to 2 rows and 4 columns. ASMatrix is a method available in NumPy and it interprets the input as a matrix. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. Create a two-dimensional matrix M3 of shape 2 by 4 with the elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Hint: use arrange and reshape methods and ASMatrix function. Switch back to the terminal for the solution. Type M3 is equal to ASMatrix inside brackets arrange inside brackets 5, 13 dot reshape inside brackets 2, 4. Type M3. You can see the required output. Next, let us see some matrix operations. Type M3 plus M2. It performs element by element addition, that is matrix addition. Note that both the matrices should be of the same shape. Similarly, type M3 minus M2. It performs matrix subtraction, that is element by element subtraction. Note that both the matrices should be of the same shape. Now we can multiply a scalar, that is a number, by a matrix as shown. Next, we will check the size of M2 by typing m2.shape. We get a tuple 2, 4. Matrix M2 is of the shape 2 by 4. Let us create another matrix of the order 4 by 2. Type M4 is equal to AS matrix inside brackets arrange inside brackets 1, 9 dot reshape inside brackets 4, 2. Now to check the shape, type M4.shape. We get 4, 2 as the shape of M4. The multiplication operator asterisk is used for matrix multiplication. Type M2 asterisk M4. Now we get output as multiplication of M2 and M4. Let us now see how to find out the transpose of a matrix. To see the content of M4, type print inside brackets M4. Now type print inside brackets M4 dot capital T. As you saw, M4 dot capital T will give the transpose of a matrix. We can get the determinant of a square matrix by using the function dgt in numpy.lanalg module. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. Find out the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. Switch to the terminal for the solution. Type as shown. The determinant of M5 can be found by issuing the command dat inside brackets M5. We get determinant of M5 as output. We can get the inverse of a square matrix by using inv function in numpy.lanalg module. Let us find the inverse of the matrix M5. Type as shown. Then to see the inverse, type IM5. Type from numpy import I, all close. Then type all close inside brackets IM5 asterisk M5, AS matrix inside brackets I inside brackets 3. This returns true. We know that multiplication of a matrix with its inverse gives the identity matrix. Identity matrix is created using I function. It is present in the numpy module. Here AS matrix inside brackets I inside brackets 3 gives identity matrix of size 3. All close is a function that returns true if two arrays are element-wise equal. To know more about these, we will check the documentation. Type the function name followed by a question mark in IPython console. Type I question mark. To quit the documentation, press Q. It is a good practice to read documentation of new functions that you come across. Let us now move on to eigenvectors and eigenvalues. Given a square matrix A, EIG inside brackets A inside square brackets 0 gives its eigenvalues. EIG inside brackets A inside square brackets 1 gives its eigenvector. EIG VALS inside brackets A gives its eigenvalues. EIG and EIG VALS functions are present in numpy.lanalg module. Let us find out the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix M6. Type as shown. Now to see the value, type EIG inside brackets M6. DIAG inside brackets again inside brackets 1, 2, 3 creates a diagonal matrix with 1, 2, 3 as diagonal elements and 0 elsewhere. DIAG function is present in numpy module. Note that EIG inside brackets M6 returned a tuple of one array and one matrix. The first element in the tuple is an array of 3 eigenvalues. The second element in the tuple is a matrix of 3 eigenvectors. To get eigenvalues, type EIG underscore value is equal to EIG inside brackets M6 inside square brackets 0. Then type EIG underscore value. As you can see, EIG underscore value contains eigenvalues. To get eigenvectors, type EIG underscore vector is equal to EIG inside brackets M6 inside square brackets 1. Then type EIG underscore vector. EIG underscore vector contains eigenvector. The eigenvalues can also be computed using EIG VALS function. Type as shown. Then type EIG underscore value 1. You can see that EIG underscore value and EIG underscore value 1 are same. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned to create matrices using arrays, add, subtract and multiply matrices, take scalar multiple of a matrix, use the function det to find the determinant of a matrix, find out the inverse of a matrix using the function inv, find out the eigenvectors and eigenvalues of a matrix using the functions EIG and EIG-VALS. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. First, A and B are two matrix objects of appropriate sizes. Which one of the below is correct for matrix multiplication? Second, EIG inside brackets A inside square brackets 1 and EIG-VALS inside brackets A are the same. True or false? And the answers? First, matrix multiplication between A and B is done by A asterisk B. Second, false. EIG inside brackets A inside square brackets 0 and EIG-VALS inside brackets A are same. That is, both will give the eigenvalues of matrix A. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Please post your general queries on Python in this forum. FOSSEE team coordinates the TBC project. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. For more details, visit this website. This is Priya from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.